Hi everyone, it's Wednesday morning and I'm in Hunt Valley, Maryland, and I got to work on this Acura MDX 2008. It's got some very severe damage to the fender. I want to show you in this video what 80% looks like. If you watch this video, you will see what I'm doing and what's the process, and also what's the outcome, what's the result. So stay tuned. As you guys can see, it's got pushed so far in that it's basically touching the hood and not letting the hood to close properly. We can also see a paint damage here. Quite severe damage. It's sticking out because of the damage here. I don't know if you guys can notice this. Change the angle right there. So this damage may not look too extensive at first glance, but it is extensive, it is difficult, and it's going to be a challenge. Let me open this hood. Look at that opening right there. It looks great. I have plenty of opening. That's very helpful. So this repair, I'm gonna start with glue pulling. I'm gonna try to glue pull as much as I can. I'm gonna try to rebuild this line as fast as I can, and then I'm gonna take it from there with my tools, with direct pushing from the back side. So stay tuned. So this here is rubbing alcohol. I want to make sure that this panel is free of any oils, dirt, and in order for the glue to stick. Alright guys, so this is our first pull and I will show you the progress. As we can see, the fender back in its place, and this is what it looks like right now. Okay, this is my first pull. It's not the final result. It's just the first pull. It's just the beginning of this whole entire repair process. So let's keep going. I want to keep doing this until I get this line rebuilt. Alright, so let's continue our glue pulling process. I want to pull this area here and also this area there. And looks much better. Now I have to pull this area here. So this is what it looks like now. So for this process, I'm gonna use a flat bar right there. I also have this motorcycle tool that's gonna work perfectly for finishing. It's gonna go like that, and that's it for now. So I'm done working on this dent here. This is what my 80% look like. All right, you can probably see there's a slight waves. I'm trying to do my best here, capture all these details. Anyhow, that's what it looks like. If you watch this video from the beginning, the fender here was sticking out a little, about maybe 1/4 of an inch. Now, as you can see, it looks much better right now. So that's what it looks like now. Also, I want you to pay attention at this gap right here between the hood and the fender. As we can see, it's all even now from start to finish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, comments, please comment below and I'll be happy to reply. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.